Hello everyone, my name is ITACHI, and today we're gonna react to If Naruto Was in Chainsaw Man by a real shinobi. Let's get straight into it. I wouldn't know how I would react if Naruto just popped into my room like that. Now that's the Naruto we all love. Of course. A real trope. At this point, he's going to be having a heart attack. What? Things went to 100 real quick. A physical thing to be able to affect chakra like that. Interesting, to say the least. These wouldn't inherently be more different than summons. Things are never really as face value when it comes to shinobi. I'm pretty positive that was just a shadow clone of Naruto being abducted. Yep. As I have expected. Well, who would? What? Oh, just the average day. Well, in my opinion, animation has gotten a lot better. I'm glad a real shinobi has managed to diversify and work on different things as well. Very nice to see it. Make sure to check him out in the description below. I really do hope you enjoyed my reaction. Make sure to stay safe out there. Goodbye. Screw you.